Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Across the world, millions of people face a simple but painful challenge. They can see an image but they cannot understand it. Vision Voice was built to transfer that experience. Vision Voice is an AI powered accessibility companion created with the multimodal intelligence of Gemini 3 Pro. Take an image, a farm, a medicine box, a street sign, and the app converts it into clear explanations with just two buttons. Take a photo, can anyone can understand the visual world. Let me show you how it works. I take a photo of a coffee syrup box. Marhaba Joshanda coffee syrup. Vision Voice says this experience is powered by Gemini 3 Pro multimodal abilities, image understanding, deep reasoning, and smooth explanation. It doesn't just identify, it understands meaning. Vision Voice is for everyone student, travel, visually impaired users. We plan to add multilingual support, offline mode, and smart guidance. Vision Voice not just an app, it is a step toward a world where information is accessible to all.
For Marhaba Joshanda cough syrup placed on a textured brown surface. The packaging features a cream background with green borders, Urdu text, and botanical illustrations of flowering herbs.